No, it only.
So, Rachel,
Oh, you're recording?
what's today, Rachel?
Today's Walk Ride Day.
How'd you get to school today?
And Sailing Day.
How'd you get to
Walk
Courageous?
Ride Sail Day.
How'd you get to Courageous today?
I actually took the T like I do every single day.
Wow, the teas.
Public
Oh my gosh.
transportation.
Yeah, public transportation rocks. You guys should
Yeah.
use it all the time.
Yeah, I wish I live near T, but
She speaks the truth.
I do, I don't lie. So it was good, and I walked to the T stop,
Nice.
got on the T, and then walked from the T stop all the way here. So it's
You
good.
got the green
I
hat
got
on the back.
buff, so yeah. And
Yeah.
Vivian used her little
Skateboard, rip sticky thing.
Yeah,
Looks like this.
very nice, and she looks cool on it too.
Yeah, I do.
So,
Yeah.
Being green is also being
and
cool.
we've been eating some green treats, right, guys?
And I did my this
Yes.
is my funky hair.
Best part of the day. Best part of the day.
Best part of the day.
Awesome cupcakes.
Audrey made cupcakes,
She put them on this awesome platter,
and she was betting
which is
chocolate.
also green.
Yes.
And that's yeah. Green is the
Thank